Good morning from all of us at the National Commission on Correctional Health Care. Thank you for allowing us to celebrate with you this morning. What an honor it is to be here today on this historic occasion. I want to thank you all, especially Sheriff Chad Chronister and the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office, and to Brad McLean with Naphcare and the Naphcare team. But before I go too much farther, I want to give you just a little bit of history and recognize those frontline staff members who have worked so hard to achieve this historic event this morning. Let us not overlook the amount of effort it took from them for us to be here today. So thank you all from the Correctional Health Care staff. The Pinnacle Award is the highest honor in correctional health care. We are officially presenting it to you today in recognition of being the first agency in the nation to achieve all three accreditations from the National Commission on Correctional Health Care. But before we do that, I'd like to offer just a little bit of history. Over the years, several facilities have earned dual NCCHC accreditations, generally for their health services and their opioid treatment programs. Then in 2018, we saw our first facility become accredited for their mental health program. When we saw that mental health accreditation, an idea was born. We knew that it was only a matter of time before a progressive, forward-thinking change maker would surpass dual accreditation and strive to earn all three NCCHC accreditations. When this happened, we knew that we needed to celebrate this accomplishment, thus the Pinnacle Award. I'm not surprised that Hillsborough County is the first to receive such an honor. Why? Sheriff Chronister, you might not know this, but back in 2015, I had the pleasure of being present at this facility as a project manager and technical writer for the major county sheriffs of America. We were studying how the nation's sheriffs were addressing mental health issues in their communities and in their jails. At that time, Hillsborough County was recognized for offering an array of mental health services to the incarcerated, reentry programs, mental health professionals to assist during receiving screening, pre-booking interventions, and a pilot program designed to address unmet needs of individuals with mental health and co-occurring disorders. They also had a single point of entry into the behavioral health system. We also visited a rather unique opioid use disorder clinic, which served the gateway for law enforcement to partner in medication-assisted treatment. So no, it is not surprising to me that Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office is the first to receive the NCCHC Pinnacle Award. You will, from now on and moving forward, be a model for all sheriffs across the country. But let us not stop here in Tampa, Florida. Let this be a challenge to our nation's sheriffs to not only meet the basic needs of their correctional health care, but to surpass them and go well beyond the basics. To follow NCCHC standards, seek out accreditation for their health services programs, and also create model programs for those suffering from opioid use disorders and mental illness. Through accreditation, you can show your commitment to your facility, your staff, and your community. Obtaining NCCHC accreditation is a rigorous process and takes time, commitment, and dedication from the administration, from the staff, and the correctional health care professionals. The survey process entails an extensive review of health records and facility policies, procedures, tours of the facility with a focus on the health services areas, entrance and exit conferences with key personnel, and structured interviews with health staff, administrators, custody staff, and patients. It is not a rubber stamp process that lacks rigor and ignores serious health and safety problems. It can be a grueling process, and as I'm sure your staff can attest to, but it's so well worth it that when you see the fruit of your labor is an effective and efficient healthcare system. When a correctional facility achieves NCCHC accreditation, the message is clear. Its leaders are committed to providing nationally accepted standards of care in health services industry. When a facility achieves 3 accreditation, well, that's cause for a special celebration. So on behalf of the National Commission on Correctional Health Care, our governing board and board of representatives, the Accreditation and Standards Committee, and all of us at NCCHC, it is my honor to present the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office, both the Falkenburg Road Jail and the Orient Road Jail, the Pinnacle Award. Our CEO, Ms. Deborah Ross, and NCCHC's Vice President of Accreditation, Ms. Amy Panagopoulos, are here today with me to recognize your excellence in correctional health care and congratulate you on attaining these 3 accreditations. Would you please? The NCCHC Accreditation Pinnacle Award, the highest honor in correctional health care, is presented to the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office at both Falkenburg Road Jail and the Orient Road Jail, Tampa, Florida, March 2021. The National Commission on Correctional Health Care Pinnacle Award recognizes organizations that have demonstrated excellence in health care by attaining multiple NCCHC accreditations. Sheriff Chronister, and to all who've had a hand in this wonderful accomplishment, congratulations on a job well done.
Thank you, Mr. Martin, the entire commission. What a prestigious honor today that you have bestowed upon the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office. Absolutely humbled by such tremendous recognition. But something like this doesn't occur without great partnerships, without great employees, those who have that tireless dedication, that passion for fixing people, not just housing people, for treating them with dignity, for knowing that there's a second opportunity. So yes, I'm the sheriff and I get to accept this award, and it certainly is a proud moment. But I tell you what, I do it on behalf of the 4,000 members of the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office and Mr. McLean, Jeff McIntyre, and every single nurse. Because of your tireless and dedicated efforts, it's because of the partnership that we share, it's because of the impact that you have on every individual who comes through these detention facilities with the strong desire that they don't come back. This award is for you. This award is for each and every one of you, and we will all share in this award. So thank you. Thank you for believing in a different approach to criminal justice, that we're not going to arrest our way out of any type of problem. You know, the jail, I tell people all the time, it has some bad people in it, and we have a special place for them. But a large majority of those individuals are people suffering from addiction, people suffering from mental health, people who made a poor decision. They need help. They don't need jail. But we'll give them the services here with the hopes that they don't come back. We then now provide them with an educational opportunity, a vocational training opportunity, and now gainful employment opportunity. That's what will continue to impact and lower the recidivism rate in our county. So again, such a proud moment. If you could win one of these awards, I think we would all run around the detention facility knowing that our efforts have been recognized. 2, we'll run a little faster. 3, the chief deputy may be upset we take the helicopter and fly around. You know, but to be the first detention facility to ever accomplish this, again, it goes back to the hard work and dedication and efforts of every single person that is in this room and those who couldn't make it. So please take it back and share them with that. I would be remiss again if I didn't strongly emphasize the partnership that we have with Naphcare. We have almost 4,000 vendors here at the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office. And I don't run around and scream from the rooftops very often about a partnership that we share, but I have to when it comes to Naphcare. We're changing lives. We're saving lives. And when you have a vendor that has that type of impact on an agency and on the people in this community that need that help, I don't know where to start. Sometimes I'm at a loss for words to show my gratitude and appreciation. So, Mr. McLean, for you, the entire team, and again, Mr. Martin, ladies, everyone at the commission, thanks for bestowing such a tremendous honor on every single individual that shares a part in changing and saving lives here at the Sheriff's Office. Thank you, everyone.
Well, thank you. I appreciate NCCHC being here. And Sheriff, I really appreciate your kind words. When I think about the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office, what I see as a culture of excellence, and that's a culture that begins with Sheriff Chronister. It proceeds through Chief Lazinski. It proceeds through Major Cole and Major 80 and Major Bauman. It proceeds through some who've retired, Major Ferrier, who was very important in building this program. At every level, the officers we work with are top-notch and dedicated. And we couldn't have a better partner to keep our patients safe and to keep our staff safe. And so we are tremendously grateful to you for the partnership and everything you've done to get us to where we are. For the Naphcare team, I have to take a step back and say it's a major accomplishment to just have completed the basic work during the pandemic. You know, other people stepped out, you stepped up. So to have been able to do, you know, pill pass and sick call and intake screens and the basic day-to-day work was an incredible accomplishment looking at the past year. You not only did that during a difficult time, and in a time where we saw a nursing market that got turned upside down, probably more in this region than anywhere in the country. You stepped up, and you not only did the work that needed to be done day to day, you achieved this unprecedented Pinnacle Award. It's extraordinary. You really are the flagship for Naphcare. So we're just tremendously grateful to all of you, grateful for the partnership, and appreciate your success. Thank you.
I believe
we have an award we just wanted to present to you, Sheriff, for the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office, in addition to the NCCHC award. So a token of our deep appreciation to you and your team. Thank you.
Wow, thank you.